Hello guys, so papunta kami ngayon sa Pisa, Italy. Dun sa Lenin Tower and yan, kasama ko si Marites. And yung isang kulapo. Natali kami sa taxi. Ginaw na lang namin. Balik, parang tag-85 € kami per head, o diba? Ang yaman ni Marites. Sana all na lang talaga. Kasi nga, ano na kami sa oras, kaya ginugo na lang. See you na lang sa Pisa later. So, ayan nga guys, as I said, around 80 to 85 euro yung binayaran namin per head. Actually, 250 yung bayad namin sa buong biyahe, balikan na yon. Giving the idea to some other crew from other ships, whenever you're having a plan to visit a place, and manggagaling kayo sa La Spezia, and you have to travel from La Spezia to Pisa, outside the terminal where the shuttle bus drop you off, galing kayo sa port ng barko, may mga taxi nang nakaabang sa labas. And you have an option kung gusto nyo mag-taxi or by train. And for us, para safe, mas pinili namin mag-taxi. And finally, we're reaching now the place. So, andito na. Makikita nyo na yung Leaning Tower. Welcome to Pisa, Italy. Nakarating lang namin. Ulala. Mamaya na tayo pumasok. As I said earlier, nakipag-deal kami ng 250 € sa taxi driver, and ganito yung nagiging usapan namin. From the port, they will bring us to this place, and it will take like 57 minutes to 1 hour by travel. And we have to stay in the place for another 1 hour. At maghihintay sila. And it's up to you kung gusto mong magpahintay. So another 1 hour travel going back to the ship. So yun na yung all in all na nag-worth ng 250 € back and forth and 1 hour stay sa lugar. The good thing is, yung 250 € na yun, pag marami kayo, like 7 people, you can pay less. Kasi pwede kayong mag-share ng mga kasama nyo. Nangyari lang talaga na 3 lang kami na magkasabay yung break. So we have to gamble the amount para mapuntahan lang namin yung lugar. But anyhow, worth it naman. Medyo kamahalan lang talaga yung price compare mo pag nag-join ka ng crew tour. But when you're really obsessed to see the place, talagang mag-go ka na lang. And this time, 1 hour is over, so kailangan na naming bumalik kung saan nagpa-park yung taxi driver. 1 hour or so less, but marami na rin ganap na nangyayari. Picture and video. Yung Pisa.
Yun.
And this time, nasa loob na nga kami ng taxi, and we are halfway going back to our destination, pabalik ng barko. So yan, nasa loob kami ng tunnel. But when you're having a chance to join a crew tour, mas prepare akong sa crew tour na lang kasi mas mahaba yung length ng time nyo para ma-enjoy yung lugar. Nagamble lang kami sa price kasi nga malapit na kaming umuwi and magbakasyon sa Pinas. And maybe another ship na naman yung pupuntahan namin. So, no more chance para makita yung lugar. When you like to watch more about travel video, please follow and share. Thank you.